Okay, so you're curious about Monzo and how quickly you can get started with an account. Well, let's dive into it. Opening a Monzo account is super fast and easy. You can be up and running in minutes. But before we get into the steps, let's talk about why you might want to choose Monzo in the first place. Why Monzo? Monzo is a mobile-only bank that's known for its innovative features and user-friendly interface. Here are a few of the things that make it stand out. Free to open and use, there are no monthly fees or hidden charges associated with your Monzo account. Instant notifications. Every time you make a transaction, you'll receive an instant notification on your phone. This makes it easy to keep track of your spending and avoid overspending. Roundups. You can set up roundups to automatically round up your purchases to the nearest pound and transfer the difference to a separate pot. This is a great way to save money without even thinking about it. Easy budgeting. Monzo's budgeting tools make it easy to track your spending and set financial goals. Great customer service. Monzo has a team of friendly and helpful customer service representatives who are available 24/7. Now that we've covered the benefits, let's get to the steps of opening a Monzo account. Download the Monzo app. The Monzo app is available for both iOS and Android devices. Sign up, enter your name, email address, and phone number. Verify your identity. You'll need to provide a photo ID, such as your passport or driver's license. Choose your account type. You can choose between a personal or joint account. Fund your account. You can fund your account using your bank card or debit card. Activate your card. Once your card arrives, you'll need to activate it in the Monzo app. That's it. You're now ready to start using your Monzo account. Here are a few additional tips for getting started with Monzo. Set up your budgeting goals. This will help you stay on track with your finances. Explore the different features. There are a lot of great features available in the Monzo app, so take some time to explore and see what you like. Use the Monzo community. Monzo has a vibrant community of users who are always happy to help. If you have any questions, be sure to join the community and ask away. In conclusion, opening a Monzo account is a quick and easy process that can take as little as a few minutes. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.